Nanotechnology is sort of an encapsulating technology that is used better to have improved for small molecules drug delivery. There's another technology that is sort of a liposome technology, which is slightly a little bit different, and that has been shown, at least in cells, to actually increase the transport of these large proteins into cells. The big challenge next is to do it orally and to get it across the blood-brain barrier, but there are preliminary reports from a particular company that we're actually also engaging that they've shown that that can be done. So that's the other thing is that we're also working on. And also, thanks to our collaborative effort and persistence in knocking on the doors of the big pharmaceutical companies that early on would not even open the door. But one company, through a key contact, gave us some of their molecules. We were interested in this type of molecules that are called phosphodiesterase inhibitors. And from that comes, they're called PDEs for short, PDEs. Viagra is a phosphodiesterase, but it's 4. But the others are actually involved, several others are involved also in the brain. So forget about the Viagra thing, but that's an analogy that people recognize a lot. So these phosphodiesterase are important, and we believed, and particularly one of my colleagues, Vary Beaumont, that PDE4, PDE9, 2, and 10 could be important. And we convinced Pfizer to give us some of their proprietary molecules that were not in the public domain in the literature, and we went ahead and tested them. And the results from these tests that we were able to generate, presented to Pfizer, got Pfizer so excited about this that we expanded the collaborations. And out of this collaboration has now come that we're moving forward, and they have moved forward with us, a PD-10 inhibitor that is currently in phase 2 being dosed in Huntington's patients. And after that first initial with Pfizer, remember I said I kept knocking on the doors and none of the big pharmas opened the door? Well, they're knocking on our doors now, and they want to actually collaborate, which is fantastic. That's been our goal and our mission, right? And the goal to be persistent, keep knocking on that door. Now they're actually sending us, they want us to test more and more of their compounds, so there's a lot of activities going on with other major pharmaceutical companies.